Karanikor Constituency Development Committee jongka Southwest Khasil District kalayo ban pun kuburom miki ar penyomut ki kena skul jongka than Ranikor ki balawan syakmat ai ki kerdan puli beper hakate ke sengi pun kuburom menteri katanat puli putih uba ala kemen rembui ulalong kum ukongsan harangkat ke jingidon langru uba Pius Marweng MLA Karanikor Constituency kum usumbut kongsan uba Nasar Marweng MDC Kalangren Constituency kakong ai lalu Deputy Commissioner ke Southwest Khasil District Dr. Jeminu Mautho ki obisar na kitrat sarkar beper jong Karanikor Civil Subdivision kiri orang ba jong than bet kiwe hakate ke sengi na kaliang jong MLA Karanikor uba Pius Marweng ula ai tiru ke dor khas syau menteri ketanat puli putih halor ke jingdon kam jong than ban yo no kawe ka college sarkar ukongsan haba ai jingkran hakate ke sengi ula kentui khna skul ba kimdei ban penlene e ki sap ki phong ba ki don bat ban pun urlong kita ki jingtmu kadon kam ke jing trestom habai dei bat ke jing kwa jong than Ranikor ya ka college sarkar na kaliang jong menteri ketanat puli putih ulo pun pau bakalong ka ba e ya ka sarkar ban plet mai mar wad hadu mentai ki community college ki balatmu ban snaru omparla ban penbiang hakate ke sengi la yo ru ban ai kusnam ke school jing IT high secondary school nong lam dai ki computer set namar ke jing yo award kum ke school ke babhatam jong usnam 8000 khat khandai
yo pulai persen Bahawan saat pengan. Nak kaya kajunga kung mikpat joki. Ila siyong kuba usketari mene. Kalau pulih ya kita memorandum buat ila pensno hiru. Hai minister jungi. Ya kajing ye kabar ide buat kata pulih putih apa konsentrasi kajungi. Dengan mana kalian kejung iru ilawan hang ni dalam sakhi dalam kejung khmat ke kejing penpau ke ba ni tho atau ba memorandum kejungi dengan kalian kejung iru umput setang menwan tamun ta kesin dari petem akamta ini kejing apa kadang tahan kejungi.
Any constraint will constrain your thought process in realizing your dream. I hope that nobody will constrain you that. We from the government, and I myself, I'll try to help in whatever possible ways to see that the education system in our state is improving to the best of our ability within the constraint which is we are facing in the department. I urge upon the teaching community, we know that you are working under tremendous constraint to live up to the profession which you are entered to, and also to the duty as the family person, especially for those SSA teachers where they have constraint because their salary could not be paid on time. Nga ay kublay, ya kinopen ya school, baro, di school managing committee, lagi di school balang, school shnong, di school shimet. Haga pila shim ni kalangkor, kabahaba ka sorkar kabla banle pila shim ni kalangkor, bantwe, ya kan yang jing syai syaki jaka kendong ba ki kunjungi kin yo ya kata ka jingang jing sta yo ya ka submission ka bram thmai ka bram system ka bram bon ki jingdon kam kan e ayu na phi ki bala yo awat nang ne pin shong ka shuki BADO pin shong ka shuki SDO civil lane pilong engineer hada jaka ba kharnayor lane ki BADO lane ki way par ki officer pidon ka talent pidon ka sa ka shom ha phikeng kane ka subdivision gram thmai pin ai yeno kan mau ba mentam nandon don show ki ban la ban yarap japi pin hap yarap dalade yalade.